Hey, what's up guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to TRHD. Today I have a really exciting product to show you guys. It's a smart AI translator from Xiaomi. This is Xiaomi's new and a very unique gadget. It's a portable smart AI translator that can translate in 14 different languages on the go. Sounds awesome, right? It can not only translate languages, but it can also do a lot more other stuff that we'll be checking out in this video. I'm very excited to unbox and show it to you guys. The Mi Smart AI Translator comes in this sort of box packing. Looks like everything is written in Chinese because it's available only in China right now. You've got a picture of the translator on the front, and the model of the product is Mi AI Translator. That's it, there's nothing much written on the box. This smart translator comes in two colors, silver and dark grey. I have the silver color variant. So that's pretty much about the box packing. Let's get started with the video. I want to thank Banggood for sending me this product for review. Also guys, stay tuned till the end of this video because there's a special giveaway I'm doing. I'll be giving away one of this smart AI translator from Xiaomi to a lucky subscriber on my channel. I'll give you the full details about the giveaway later in the video. Okay, let's open the box and check it out. So here it is, the Xiaomi's AI translator. Nicely packed in the box. Let me take it out. So this is how the AI translator looks like. It's quite compact, small in size, and the design also looks quite appealing. We'll check it out in a moment. First, let's see what else do we get in the box. You have a USB cable over here, must be for charging the device. And there's also a small leaflet over here hidden below the box. Let's see. Yep, it's an instruction manual, but looks like everything is written in Chinese, not of any big use to us. So these were all the items we got in the box. Now let's check out the smart AI translator from Xiaomi. This translator not only translates languages on the go, but it also has a smart virtual assistant from Xiaomi that can give you any info you ask it, like the current weather, news. It can also calculate, convert currency, or even answer any general questions. The build quality of the device is solid. It's got 5 buttons over here. The top and bottom buttons are for to and fro language translation. The left and right buttons are to increase or decrease the speaker volume, and the center button is to access the virtual assistant. At the top you've got an LED indicator, and the bottom dotted grill is where the speaker is situated. Well, that's it on the front. On the right side you've got a hole to fix a hand strap, and this is how the back side looks like. You've got the Mi logo here. At the top you've got a power button and a microphone beside that. It's a high quality far field microphone. And at the bottom you have a micro USB port for charging and a 3.5mm headphone jack beside that. So that was our overview on the design and the build quality. Now let's power it on and see if it's got some juice in it. Okay, looks like the translator's language is set to Chinese by default. I'll just set it up and be right back to continue the video. Alright guys, I'm back. I've set up the translator. The setup process was quite easy. You just need to install WeChat app to configure the translator. Just follow the on-screen instructions and you'll be ready to use it in no time. So the Xiaomi AI translator can translate 14 different languages. It works with Microsoft Translation Service to provide on-the-go translations. Now it not only translates, but it also stores the previous translation to quickly check back if you need. This translator is very useful, especially for people who travel a lot. It supports 14 different languages like Chinese, Japanese, Korean, German, Spanish, Italian, and a few more. Let's put this translator to a test and see how it performs. Now let me give you a demo and show you how this translator works. It's right now set to Japanese, so that means it translates either text from Japanese to English or from English to Japanese. Let's try something. Hello.
Konnichiwa.
So that is how it works. Quite nice. Let's try something else. How are you?
O genki desu ka?
So that is how it works guys. It also works in the opposite direction. That means if you speak in Japanese, it tells in English. Let's also try that. Ohayou gozaimasu.
Good morning.
O genki desu ka?
How are you?
Wow, that is pretty awesome guys. The speaker is also loud and clear. You can easily understand what it's saying. Now let's try some other language on this translator. Previously we've seen Japanese, now let's try Spanish. Hello.
Hola.
Okay, it said hola. Good morning.
Buenos días.
Now not only these basic words, it also translates some complex sentences guys. I'll just give you an example on how it works. Where is the nearest hotel?
¿Dónde está el hotel más cercano?
So that's how it works. Let's try one more. I want to go to the nearest pizza shop.
Quiero ir a la pizzería más cercana.
Now this translator not only translates languages, but it also stores the previous conversation. If you want to access the English conversation, just press this me button.
I want to go to the nearest pizza shop.
There you go, it recorded my sentence. And if you want the same in Spanish, just press this button.
Quiero ir a la pizzería más cercana.
That is so cool, right? So that's how this AI translator works. It's a super useful gadget for travelers. It works great, clearly understands what you're saying, and accurately translates in the other desired language. The quality of the speaker on it is also good. It's crisp, loud, and you can easily understand what the translator is saying. Talking about the battery life is good. It's got a 900 mAh battery and the continuous working time is 8 hours, and the company claims it has a standby time of around 7 days. So that was my video on this new smart AI translator from Xiaomi. It's an excellent and super useful gadget, especially for travelers or for people who want to learn new languages. The build quality is solid, the functionality is great, and the battery life is also good. The only thing is the app menu is completely in Chinese. Hope Xiaomi releases an English update soon. And also if it had some Indian languages like Hindi, Telugu or Tamil, this thing would have been ultimate. It costs about 4,600 rupees and is available on Banggood. I'll just leave links to that in the description box below. You can check it out there. And before I end this video, I told you there's a special giveaway, right? Yes, I'll be giving away one such Xiaomi AI translator to a lucky subscriber on my channel. To participate in this giveaway, all you need to do is follow me on my social media accounts like Instagram, Twitter and Facebook. That's it guys, very simple. All the links and giveaway info will be in the description box below. This giveaway will run for about 2 weeks from today. The winner will be chosen randomly from the comment section and announced on both my Twitter and YouTube channel. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you in the next one.